Guess what just landed in the studio? The brand new MacBook Air with the M3 chip. Let's crack it open and see what Apple's got in store for us this time. So, unboxing time. My wife's got the honors, but I'll lend a hand. Let's crack open this brand new MacBook Air M3 and see what Apple's got cooking this time. Apple didn't mess with the winning formula here. Same sleek exterior and the eco-friendly packaging. Think familiar MacBook wrapped in paper. First impression? The design is familiar, but check out this new finish. It's a special anodized treatment that actually repels fingerprints, a major win in my book. It's not available on the older M2 Air, so that's a handy way to tell them apart. Oh, and by the way, this is the classic silver option, but there are 3 other colors available, including a cool new midnight shade, all with the same fingerprint resistant goodness. You get the usual high quality magnetic charging cable, some welcome stickers, though I have a collection already. These are silver and gold this time. And the star of the show, the MacBook Air itself. Same gorgeous 13.6-inch IPS display with 500 nits of brightness, so no surprises here. Still got the notch for the FaceTime camera, which blends in okay. Personally, I would prefer a water drop notch, but hey, maybe it will grow on me.